So first of all, I'd like to thank our councillors for all the support that they have given us. I'd like to also thank the people of Panjim for showing their continued faith in the corporation. The corporation has made a lot of strides in these past 5 years, both in terms of our local governance, in terms of cleanliness, in terms of a lot of other issues and everything. And we want to continue to work for the people of Panjim in this last year of this. Thank you very much.
What challenges
So as of now, there are multiple challenges right now. Biggest challenge now is that smart city thing. We want them to finish their work as soon as possible and to leave the city. And now their deadline is fast approaching also, so we hope they get all of their work done on time. Apart from that, we have a regular decenting work is carrying out as thing. The police and NGOs, certain NGOs last night or day before have conducted raids to remove all the beggars from our city. So we're working on a lot of things. Our municipality building, for example, now we don't have any space to move, so that project is a little stuck right now. But apart from that, we made progress in all of our things. The market also in phase 3, we made significant progress. The same with a lot of our ongoing issues also now. Pre-monsoon work is going on now. There should not be an issue. Now, wherever smart city work is going on, we'll have to conduct that last. But we already have a list of all the wards that we've completed. In fact, today I have a meeting with PWD and the smart city people to just review all of the flood points that they have within the city. So that meeting is at 12 o'clock. So we want to just make sure that everything is addressed. Now, some people have issues with certain drains that have not been connected to the main drains or not been done properly. So as and when people have issues, we've been addressing that. So same, if anybody else has any issues, please get in touch with directly. Don't wait for the monsoon before something gets bad. We got to approach that.
Trimming of the trees and all that.
Trimming of trees is going on as per schedule. Also, Forest Department has issued that list to us. We've told our councillors also that the trees that the forest people have identified will be cut on a priority basis first. So within the next month or so, we should be done with all of those, with that also.
एक पार्किंग एरिया म्हणटा की पार्किंग इशू म्हणटा पणजे खूप चालला आहे सध्या तेजेर कितें करता
Now parking as of now, we also don't really have a solution as of yet. Now, Smart City is still doing their work. Now in terms of enforcement, we have asked collector to pass a notification banning taxis from parking in the city. Now if you notice, there must be 100-200 spots that are taken up by taxis only the whole day. Today also the RTO and PI traffic will be coming for an inspection. So we'll be instructing them to remove all of the taxis. Now all the parking space should be available to the citizens, not somebody who's parking their car and then going and leaving it overnight.
And especially they're lifting the vehicles also, the no parking. So
Yeah. So people do everything concurrently also now. So now we have to push them a little bit, but I have faith in the PI is good, RTO will get it done. So now we'll be conducting regular drives. Same with beggars, same with anything else also that's where we are. Yeah. So there was nothing. The rain didn't rain so much also. There was no problem per se. No, nothing happened.
Firstly, I would like to thank my honorable MLA and minister for giving me this opportunity for the 4th time. I would like to thank Mayor and all my councillors, and especially the people from Ward number 25, from where I represent today. I am here because of those people. So I would like to have their continued support, and I am always there for them. Thank you.